Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to use token on Crypto Wallet Easy Method. Open your wallet app, unlock it, and tap the Tokens or Assets tab. Choose Add Token if the token is missing, then paste the contract address and confirm details. Verify token symbol and decimals, then save to see your balance. To send, tap Send, enter recipient address, amount, and set gas fee before safely confirming. Adding a token is easy and quick on most wallets. First, locate Add Token or Import Token in your app and choose Custom Token. Then paste the token contract address you copied from a trusted source, check symbol and decimals, and confirm. If the wallet asks for a token logo, you can skip. Your token should appear in the asset list once saved. If you made a mistake, remove the token and repeat the steps. Quick recommendation: if you like improving money skills alongside crypto tips, try the book The Simple Path to Wealth for clear advice on building financial independence. If this video helps, please subscribe and like. It really supports the channel. Check the description for the link to the book and other deals and resources. A short read can change how you think about saving and investing for long-term goals. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Sending tokens safely requires care and double checks. Open the token, tap Send, paste the recipient address, and enter the amount you want to send. Choose an appropriate gas fee to ensure timely processing, then review the transaction summary, including token symbol and network. Confirm only after verifying the address and amount. Keep a small test transfer for large amounts to avoid costly errors. Use hardware wallets or guard phrases when available for extra security.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.